Inserting videos is actually just as simple as inserting pictures. You're going to go up here to insert. Once you click on that, you'll go down to video. Click on that and you'll get a search box so that you can search on YouTube. You can also choose to copy and paste a URL or a web address in there, and if you had any videos saved to your drive, that would be an option too. As you can see, I don't have any. Chances are you don't have any either, and that's okay. So I'm going to go with the search option for right now, and I'm going to search for something simple, making ice cream. Click search, and you wait for it to make its decisions, and it'll suggest some videos for you. So I'm just going to click on one, go down to select, and then it pops into my slide for me. You can move it around just like you do with pictures, put it wherever you want.